Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Coming up on Skim Sam this June, on a Monday, Alfred uses Paxi to score some cheap points. Thomas shows no remorse for what he did to Mapiti. Dr. Blue lets Lhasa in on her thoughts. On Tuesday, Pretty is on the right track with work choices while second guessing some personal choices. Mapiti is left utterly shocked by Tibo's revelation. On Wednesday, Make fears Tibo's decision about his marriage may be a mistake. Lahasa plots his revenge against those responsible for his hospitalization. On Thursday, Mapiti is willing to do whatever it takes to save her marriage. Celia's aunt drops a bombshell on Alfred. Lahasa aims to get rid of his enemies without resorting to violence, but Greg disagrees. On Friday, Alfred is determined to confront Celia, but shocking revelation leaves him devastated. Bryce Sykes puts Pavarotti to the ultimate test. Mapiti confronts the harsh reality of her downfall. On Monday, 9 June 2025, Alfred finally uncovers the bitter truth behind Celia's reluctance to return to Tath. Evelyn's reason to celebrate raises concerns for Stockholm. On Tuesday, a familiar face returns to Telf. After a lengthy disappearance, Mr. Holmes' chaotic personal life once again disrupts his professional duties. On Wednesday, the guest at the Mahonga house is a ticking time bomb. Lhasa grapples with settling into this new position. On Thursday, the Mahonga house is turned into an emergency operating room. Salamina gets the shock of her life when she steps into the Mahonga house. On Friday, word spreads quickly about the return of Tess' problem child. Lhasa is conflicted when he has to discipline a member of his team in a gangster fashion. On Monday, 16 June 2025, danger looks outside the Mahonga house as a suspicious car pulls up. Lhasa and Greg's authority is tested when inmate challenges the status quo. On Tuesday, Mahlatse's good intentions lead him to life-threatening situation. A man's desperate search for his wife proves fatal. Lhasa chooses to prioritize his morals and power. On Wednesday, Maruti throws himself into a dangerous situation. Da Austin challenges Lhasa to self-introspect. On Thursday, a hostage situation unfolds at Mahonga House. Lhasa attempts to make amends for past mistakes. On Friday, Babayile links Leeto's friend to a house-breaking incident. Lhasa apologizes to Nkotsi, but Kwezikazi can see right through the trick. On Monday, 23rd of June, Babayile arrests the suspect in connection to a theft that occurred in 2020. Lhasa's excitement over his appeal is short-lived when he realized the prison walls have ears. On Tuesday, Kwezikazi and Peterson decides to take their relationship to another level. Mantuli and Kwaito argue over the date of the graduation party. On Wednesday, a woman is startled when a coma patient squeezes her hand. Pretty is devastated when she hears that Lhasa's appeal hearing had been postponed. On Thursday, Baba Ilo receives a crucial lead on Khobane's whereabouts. Alfred and Mahlati team up to build a ramp in preparation for Pax's visit. On Friday, Mr. Homo receives disturbing news about his ex-wife. A crime boss makes his way back to Taft to finalize a deal with his new business associates. On Monday, the 30th of June 2025, two lovebirds are joyfully reunited after a prolonged separation. Evelyn offers to take in one of her learners. Tlhogi is overwhelmed when he sees Pax in a wheelchair. Thank you guys for watching.